Welcome to the new era of system design. For decades, the mantra was cloud first, but the tide is shifting. We are seeing a renaissance in local enterprise architecture, driven by the need for speed and privacy. By architecting enterprise platforms on local systems, developers can achieve up to 85% reduced latency compared to regional cloud data centers. This move isn't just about hardware, it is about local-first software patterns that eliminate the unpredictability of the public internet. Today, we will explore how high-performance local environments provide zero-cost cloud egress and 100% data sovereignty, allowing you to keep sensitive IP within your physical walls while maintaining the same scale as a hyperscale provider. We are moving from a centralized cloud to a distributed edge, where your local machine is the primary node of a global-ready infrastructure. Let's dive into the core mechanics of building big on small metal. To run enterprise-grade services locally, your hardware must be more than just a consumer desktop. We are looking at a minimum specification that rivals traditional rack servers. Modern architecture starts with at least 128 gigabytes of unified memory to handle high-density container orchestration. You need a 12-core CPU minimum to manage concurrent microservices without context switching bottlenecks. Furthermore, the interconnectivity must be robust. A 10 gigabit per second local backplane ensures that data transfer between your local nodes and storage happens at lightning speeds. This hardware stack enables you to simulate entire data center environments on a single desk. It is no longer about just having power. It is about having the right memory bandwidth and core counts to sustain the multi-threaded demands of enterprise platforms. This foundation is what allows local systems to punch way above their weight class in the current tech landscape. The heart of local enterprise platforms is the ability to compartmentalize services. We leverage technologies like K8s or lightweight Docker environments to mimic cloud environments perfectly. By utilizing a build once, run anywhere philosophy, we ensure that the local system behavior is identical to the production cloud. This involves managing over 500 plus microservices instances locally through efficient orchestration. We focus on lightweight runtimes that reduce overhead, ensuring that 99.9% storage is often the biggest bottleneck in local enterprise design. While cloud storage offers infinite scale, it suffers from high latency and variable I/O. Local systems, however, leverage NVMe Gen 5 speeds, providing up to 10 gigabytes per second throughput. This allows for sub-1 millisecond disk I/O, which is orders of magnitude faster than standard cloud volumes. To ensure reliability, we implement RAID-Z data protection on local ZFS pools, ensuring that even if a physical drive fails, the enterprise platform remains operational. This level of data integrity and performance allows you to run massive databases and real-time data processing pipelines that would be prohibitively expensive or slow in a traditional cloud environment. By architecting storage with this level of precision, you gain the ability to handle large-scale datasets with the responsiveness of local memory. It changes how we think about data-intensive applications. A local enterprise platform doesn't live in a vacuum. It must communicate securely with external services and remote nodes. We use MTLS encrypted kernels to ensure that every packet leaving or entering your local system is authenticated and secure. By implementing global DNS resolution internally, your local services can use the same addresses they would in the cloud, simplifying configuration. Furthermore, we leverage SD-WAN local integration to create a seamless fabric between your desk and the corporate data center. This allows you to offload non-critical tasks to the cloud while keeping sensitive processing local. The result is a hybrid environment where the local system acts as a high-speed node within a larger global network. This connectivity ensures that your local enterprise platform is a first-class citizen in the wider corporate ecosystem, not just an isolated silo. Security is the paramount concern when moving enterprise workloads to local systems. We adopt a zero-trust posture where every local request is verified, regardless of origin. This includes hardware-backed keys stored in TPM modules, ensuring that identity cannot be spoofed. We implement AES 256 at-rest encryption for all local storage volumes, protecting sensitive data even if hardware is physically compromised. Additionally, microsegmentation limits the blast radius of any potential breach by isolating services from one another within the local network. By treating the local system as a hostile environment, we build platforms that are more secure than traditional perimeter-based corporate networks. This rigorous approach to security allows enterprises to trust local deployments with their most sensitive data and proprietary algorithms, knowing that the same enterprise-grade security standards are being enforced at the edge. Scalability on local systems isn't about adding more servers in a data center. It is about vertical and horizontal efficiency on the metal you own. We use horizontal pod autoscaling to dynamically adjust resources based on local load. Through load balancing at the edge, we distribute incoming traffic across local service replicas, ensuring no single container is overwhelmed. This allows for 99.99% local uptime for critical internal tools. Even on a single workstation, you can simulate the scaling behavior of a massive cluster, allowing you to tune your platform for peak performance before it ever hits a public cloud. This approach minimizes resource waste and ensures that your enterprise platform is always responsive, providing a snappy experience for users and developers alike. It is about precision scaling, where every megabyte of RAM and every CPU cycle is accounted for and utilized to its fullest potential. You cannot manage what you cannot measure. Local enterprise platforms require deep observability. We deploy local instances of Prometheus and Grafana to capture 10,000 plus metrics per second. This gives us a granular view of system health, from CPU thermals to application response times. We use real-time log aggregation to centralize logs from all local containers, making debugging significantly faster than in distributed cloud environments. Automated anomaly detection identifies performance regressions the moment they occur, allowing for proactive maintenance. This level of insight ensures that your local platform is running at peak efficiency and allows you to optimize your architecture based on hard data. By having this telemetry locally, you avoid the latency and cost of sending millions of metrics to a cloud provider, keeping your monitoring both fast and private. The financial argument for local enterprise architecture is compelling. By hosting locally, organizations can achieve a 70% reduction in TCO over a 3-year period compared to equivalent cloud instances. This is primarily due to the elimination of monthly recurring fees and zero ingress-egress fees. Beyond cost, there is the matter of full regulatory compliance. For industries like finance or healthcare, keeping data on a local, physically secured system simplifies the compliance landscape significantly. You own the hardware, you own the data, and you own the stack. This sovereignty gives you total control over your digital destiny, free from the pricing whims or service outages of third-party providers. It is the ultimate expression of technical independence, allowing you to build and scale on your own terms. As we look ahead, the boundary between local and cloud will continue to blur. We are moving towards a hybrid mesh architecture, where the local system is the primary compute engine, and the cloud is used purely for global distribution and cold storage. With the advent of AI-driven orchestration, local systems will become even more autonomous, self-healing and optimizing based on usage patterns. This future-proof scalability means that the architectures you build today on your local machine will be the standard for enterprise computing tomorrow. We are empowering the individual engineer and the small team to run world-class infrastructure from anywhere. The era of architecting enterprise platforms on local systems is just beginning, and the possibilities for innovation are limitless. Thank you for joining this deep dive into the future of high-scale local design.